Got the
Alright guys, just for the purposes of this video, I did go ahead and get in the shower. Look at me, still doing my hair in the shower. So yeah, I did go ahead and shampoo my hair in the sink, and then I processed my deep conditioner, of course, for 30 minutes under my hooded dryer. And now I am just detangling my hair in the shower. And I did this because I wanted to just kind of give you guys a good look at my hair under some good lighting, since this is my first wash and go since I've colored my hair. If you guys haven't seen that video, I did decide to color my hair. I decided to make the choice for myself, for a number of different reasons, to use a color by Cream of Nature, and this is what the color I came out with. I really love this color, like really love the color payoff that I got. It is a very fall kind of color, and I will be going a little bit lighter my way. My choice, my decision. But more will come on that later. But for now, I am really loving the color. So right here, I am just applying my leave-in conditioner. I am using the Paul Mitchell the conditioner, and just make sure you check the description box for all the products that I use. Of course, they will be listed, but Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner, as you guys know, is my holy grail leave-in. And so I am just going to detangle the other side of my hair off camera to save time, and I will meet you guys on the other side of my bathroom to style my hair. So my hair has been air drying for maybe about 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna go in and style my hair with another one of my holy grail products, which is of course Eco Styler Gel. Almost all of the Eco Styler gels work the exact same for me. There are a couple of exceptions, but I really do like the green olive oil one, and it pairs very well with the Paul Mitchell, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm just going to section my hair off, and as you guys see, in most places, I kept my roots dark. So if you guys haven't seen my color video yet, then you guys don't know, but I did intentionally keep my roots dark on purpose, just because I like that look. And then also just because it's a little bit easier when I do decide to lighten my hair. A couple more shades. I realized I don't want to go as light as my Txtr. I really like that color, but that color hair is just super hard to get moisturized. That is just, it be looking real dry, and that is something that I always go into when my hair is lighter. If you guys don't know, my hair has been blonde before. For everybody who wants to give me so much advice on how to get my hair blonde, I know how to get my hair blonde if I really wanted to go that route, okay? I didn't want to go that route. So I decided, after like testing and playing with my Txtr for all these weeks, it's really hard to get that hair the way that I like my hair to look. So I'm not going to be going that bright, but I am going to lighten it, I think, a couple more shades in my own time and in my own way, like I said. But for now, I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys just enjoy the rest of me styling my hair. I am not doing the shingling method for this process. I am just literally just smoothing it down my hair, and then of course I will separate and break apart my curls after my hair dries. This is what my hair looked like, and I am in love with the color. This is a day one wash and go. I just sat under my hooded dryer, so my hair is still super defined, and of course it will get bigger and fluffier as the days go on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I am going to try some like cream based wash and goes. Like I think I want some soft wash and goes moving into fall. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss those videos, you don't miss those combos. If you are an OG cousin, say what's up in the comments, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.